Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Yasir Ali and today we will discuss about plucking, what is plucking and how it occurs or how it happens and then how we can treat it. First let me make it clear that there are few remedies that can be used for treatment of plucking, but it is not necessary that plucking can be treated. Plucking can pass on from one generation to another generation and may never end. So keep that thing in mind. So let me explain that what are the causes or how the plucking happens or how it is caused. First thing is that can be due to lack of nutrition or provision of over nutritions, overuse of hormonal medicines, moreover overuse of calcium, vitamins, salts and other kind of supplements, use of you can say overuse or less provision of these things. That can also fall in you can say lack of nutrition. Further is breeding, taking too much breed from bird can also affect it. Furthermore, it can be a habitual behavior that may have been learned from seeing other birds doing plucking, or that happened by you can say watching other birds doing it. The most important thing that is basically causing a lot of problems for breeding the plucking birds that are doing plucking, and that is not letting the plucking and is breeding the birds that are doing plucking. This is basically known as inherited plucking, because the bird that does plucking, the chicks that came out of from that pair will also do the plucking. Most of the cases that will do plucking. In some cases plucking can just come and go. In some cases it can come and never go. In some cases it can be for some color of bird and it cannot be for other color of bird. It can be you can say around just crop area or neck area. It can be, in some cases it can be on head, top of the head. In some cases it can be on the back. In some cases it can be on the you can say lower body area. That can vary from bird to bird. Some birds do plucking of their own chicks and do not do plucking of other chicks, or some birds do plucking of specific color birds and do not do plucking of other color birds. Some birds do plucking of other chicks and do not do plucking of their own chicks. Some birds do not do plucking while their chicks are you can say in box and do it when they came out of the box. Some do plucking inside and do not do it outside. So there are many different scenarios in which plucking is going on. There are many different reasons that I have explained previously in which that are basically becoming the reason of plucking. So how we can resolve this issue, we can try out what things we can try out so we can do any remedy that can lower the plucking issue. I would again say that there is no permanent solution to the plucking. So what remedies can be used for you can say trying out so our birds do not do plucking? First remedy is that you need to give your bird rock salt if that is not present, because rock salt is very good for birds and it is very much needed because it can provide minerals and salts to the bird and some vitamins too. Furthermore, if you are not giving your bird cuttlefish bone, then provision of cuttlefish bone can also lower this kind of thing. Further, if you give something to chew to your bird, then it can also be, that can be in form of toys, or that can be in some form of something that is chewable or something interesting, or you can say changing something or giving more attention to your bird can also resolve it. Now we will come to few of the things that we can use or apply on birds that can you can say lower the plucking issue or may not have any kind of effect. That is, first of them is aloe vera gel. Application of aloe vera gel over the bird that is being plucked or over the area from which the other bird is doing plucking. Application of fresh aloe vera gel over that portion from where it is the bird is getting plucked by the partner or by the parents. So the next thing is you can say provision of anti-plucking medicines that can be in form of spray or any other, in homeopathic or allopathic, whatever you think is suitable, you can use those things. But I would again say, even if you do all these things, still there is no confirmation that your bird will stop doing the plucking. So that is for the day, and that is for the plucking what I have to say. Inshallah we will see you next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.